Hey everyone, welcome back to the Creation Studio. So today we're going to go ahead and make another set of coasters, but we're going to do something a little bit different this time. I was thinking these three colors and doing like a spiral pattern. I've never done a spiral, so I'm not sure exactly how this is going to turn out. Resin is fluid, so I have to work quickly to get the spiral, done. But we're going to go ahead and do, this is burgundy, tiger orange, and turquoise. So 3 stark different colors, very nice looking together, and spiral coasters. So let's see how this turns out, and let's get busy. Alright, there you go. That is pretty cool looking, actually. So, these set for 24. We'll see what they do, because when resin does cure, and it's already thickening up because it's taken me so long just to do this pour, but when it cures, it moves like towards the middle kind of thing. So what you see now is not the end result that you're going to see. But we'll see what it does come tomorrow, and we'll be back. And yeah, I have a mess to clean up. Yay! And there you have it. So, there is my attempt at doing a spiral with resin for coasters. Turned out pretty cool. So as long as you get the first layer down the way you want it, the rest of the layers, like as you see, it's kind of, you see the deeper color in there, but that top layer is a nice spiral. So it doesn't matter what the back turns out. That top layer is going to define pretty much what it's going to look like. So yeah, that one went a little wild. That's okay. They're all unique. And they all look pretty cool. So, anyways, I'm going to get the cork on the back of these, some still shots, and hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new, because I did, that doing a spiral is time consuming, because it did take a long time. The resin started to set by the time I was finished. But that also has to do with the fact that I was recording, and it takes a little bit longer to record and pour and all that stuff. These turned out cool. It's a neat, interesting design, and I like them. Hope you did too, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.